Hello everyone! In case you were wondering where I'd gone, I've just been really busy with this beast. This is a 30-year-old Apricot FTE super server, and one of the things that makes it so special is this. I know, right? For the past 4 weeks or so, this has taken up all of my tinkering time and left little for playing with anything else. So this little upload is just a placeholder video to say I'm still active, but while waiting for a few things to turn up for it, I might as well show you the keyboard it came with, which I just finished fixing up this morning. As you can see, it was pretty filthy, so I unscrewed the top from underneath and pulled or popped off all of the keys using a screwdriver. The top cover got a nice bath with plenty of hot water and detergent, and the keys all got similar treatment. I can tell you that scrubbing each one with an old toothbrush takes a very long time. The keys were all left on a radiator to dry out while I cleaned out the insides with a vacuum and another old toothbrush. It was then that I noticed one of the screw points had sheared off, so as the top cover was now nice and clean, I stuck it down with some IC2000 and left it clamped overnight. Then this morning I put it all back together, and here is the transformation fade. I'm really happy with that. Now I just need the hard drive I'm waiting for to arrive, and I can hopefully finish the FTE rebuild. Then expect another delay while I get all the images and video together to introduce you properly. Okay, back to it. I'll see you in the next one.